Alright, to wrap up our explanation of the Agent Builder, let's discuss the data nodes. These are the transform and set state nodes. As the name suggests, transform lets us convert info from one format to another. It can reformat, clean, or convert data into a different structure. For instance, when writing an email, you might want HTML for better visuals. Here's an example. Transform raw CSV columns into a JSON object structure. Okay? If we select this, it shows us the key, result, value, and text input, what we'll export. Expressions or objects, got it? We can also set up a schema here with the name, properties, and so on, right? At this point, until you receive the input in the format you get from ChatGPT or the agent tool you're using, you won't really know how to convert it, right? And as you can see, we can keep adding here. As I said, for now, the input works for me. It shows input as text because that's what we have, okay? So it's that simple, all right? Then we have set state, which allows us to set a state and says, assign a value to the workspace or variables. That's it, okay? It's basically taking a variable and setting a value for it. What's that useful for? Well, maybe to set a name, for example. Let's say we know a person's name. We'll save it in a variable to write a personalized message like, hello name, okay, for example. Here we'd put the value and add the variable. We'd create the variable. As you see, it can be text, numeric, boolean, object, or list, right? It depends on what we need and our workspace. That covers the basics of ChatGPT Open Builder, okay? Well, Agent Builder, not bad. It has many settings, but we're missing lots of tools and features. We've got a way to go, but they're on the right track, okay? I like how it's designed. The little they've done is well made, so I hope you enjoyed it.